Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Doe here from Timeless and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to clean your boost on any of your Adidas sneakers. This includes Yeezys, Nmds, and Ultraboost. You guys know over time these sneakers get absolutely wrecked, and boost is definitely not the easiest thing to clean in the world, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So before I do start today's video, I do want to let you guys know today's video is sponsored by Swag Kings, but with all of that aside, they do have an amazing product that I did try beforehand to know if it was any good, and I gotta tell you guys, this is a great product. It does not require any water whatsoever, and that's probably my favorite thing about this. If you're taking it out, if you're going on a trip or anything like that, if you want to take a cleaner with you or anything like that, you can take this with you with no water needed. You can do it on the spot in the middle of absolutely anywhere. If you end up spilling something on a pair of your sneakers or anything like that, you're ready to go. So with this actual product, it does come with a towel, the actual solution itself that does not require water, and a really good brush. One thing I do want to tell you guys is you can't really use any brush when it comes to cleaning boost. The reason for this is especially on the Nmds, it does have the very soft pods, so this brush specifically does not shred those to pieces. It's like a sponge like material, so if you were to use a hard bristle brush or something like that, it would actually tear it to pieces and make your boost pods look really bad. But this one is actually soft enough to the point where you can clean your sneakers without doing any damage to the sneaker itself. Now, as you guys can see, it already makes the boost look amazing. The one thing I do want to mention is that there's so much glue that's actually connecting the outsole to the boost itself that kind of sticks out. I usually get the most of it, but it is so sticky and it gets all that dirt in there that sometimes it gets heated, sometimes it sits in the sun, sometimes it melts, and the actual stuff that you're stepping on, such as pavement, dirt, or anything like that, will actually get inside of the actual glue and get stuck inside of there, so it's pretty much impossible to get it out. But as you guys can see, the boost pods itself and the actual boost look pristine. It looks really clean, and this product is actually able to get the majority of the dirt out. The only thing that's actually laying within the boost is any stains, so anything such as dye or anything that has dye within it, such as, you know, wine or alcohol, paints, or anything like that that actually has something that can seep inside of the boost. That's the only thing you can't get out. But any outer laying dirt, mud, grass, or even stains from like a tire, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, any stains like that can completely be wiped out with this solution. So just taking a look at the actual sneaker itself after it being cleaned by this solution, the brush itself gets really inside of all the holes and all the crevices of the boost, and it allows for the solution to really get in there because it is a foam material. Let's say we're using a different solution, it actually takes you utilizing water. With this one, all it does is it's actual foam, so it seeps right inside of wherever you want it to go, rather than having to, you know, foam and like lather up any water and solution. This way, it's just you put it right onto the boost itself and you clean it right off. If you guys are interested in picking this product up, it is in the description below. Use my link to the actual website, and I hope you guys get very similar results to what I did get in today's video. As you guys can see, the boost itself is nearly pristine. Besides the underlying stains itself, the actual stains don't really get out, but the dirt, the mud, anything like that get completely eliminated from the sneakers. And the glue is always a little bit of a difficult thing, but there is alternatives to that, such as using, let's say, a razor or something like that to shave that off so it doesn't actually look as prominent. Another tip that I actually have with the boost itself, that if you're going to clean it up, after you do all of this, maybe even take a little bit of alcohol, and what that does is on the glue itself, if you take like rubbing alcohol or something like that on a cotton ball or a cotton swab, anything like that, and you rub it against the glue, it can sometimes really get that glue out of there because it's able to break down that glue and get inside of it. But make sure you don't do too much, especially don't get it on the pods, because it could end up destroying part of your sneakers. Another great thing that I do like about the brush that is provided is that it is able to get inside of the actual rubber, and as you guys can see on the outsoles, which gets the majority of the dirt when you walk, the outsoles get pretty cleaned using the solution. I definitely think it's the brush. I don't even think it's the solution in this case, just because the brush has such soft bristles that it's able to get into every single crevice of the sneaker itself, and it really does a great job on that rubber. Now, looking at the overall before and afters, you guys can see the boost looks magnificent. After the boost had just a little bit of the solution squirted on it and just cleaned in less than 5 minutes, you guys can make your boost look 1,000 times better. This product is definitely worth it, and I'm not completely sure how much solution you can actually get out of this, but personally, I've been cleaning my sneakers for about 3 weeks now using one of these packs, and I still feel like I have more than half a bottle left, so I'm pretty sure this lasts you a long time and you guys will get a lot of it out of it. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, remember to go to the first link in the description to Swag Kings, check them out, show them some love. Also click that post notification button so you guys get a post notification every time I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.